So my name's Garrett Denning, and I am a grant writer at Wester. All these different, initiatives the college have, a lot of them have to have funding. Really, we do our best to kind of make as much of an argument as to why this is needed, how this affects students, what that looks like overall. Ah, yes, free time. I hear good things about it. I'm really trying to develop my connection to community a little stronger. So a lot of what I do is kind of dedicated to that and causes that I care about. And so two of my friends and I have a disability justice group that we're trying to grow within lacrosse. And then I also sit on the board and help out at the center downtown, the Seven Rivers LGBTQ Center. A lot of rest too, honestly. That's one thing I'm trying to do and kind of let go of my ideas that I just need to go. Other than that, I spend a lot of time with my cat, sometimes scolding her for being just the little ball that she is. Sorry for language, but my cat's name is Frankie. She is a tortie. She mostly is a good girl. I'm slowly coming to terms with the fact that she is getting to be an older cat. I have some go-to karaoke moments with friends, and so just hitting on some of that. I can do a decent Bon Jovi every now and then. The classic white guy karaoke moves. I'm just gonna go with the first thing that pops in my head right now, but platypus. It's an underrated animal, I think. And it's very hard to classify as to what type of animal it is, which I feel like I connect with very deeply. Muppets. If you don't know your Muppets, that's a hard one for me. But I try to be a little better in recognizing that not everybody loves what I love. That's kind of cool too, right? Because you get to share your passion and you get to show them what it is that you love about it, and maybe they'll love it too. And if not, they get to know you a little more. And so that's what I try and keep reminding myself when I get too snobby about certain things.